Hello friends, good morning. How are you? Today I'll talk about the Nasdaq chart. Today we'll talk about the Nasdaq chart, how Nasdaq is working nowadays. Let's start. So last closing is Nasdaq is 8621 and here I take Bollinger Band, moving average and volume of 20 days. So I create a rectangle for a movement of price. You can see the 8564 is the level when the Nasdaq cuts its high level and go above the 8564 level. Now this was the strong support for Nasdaq. 8564 level is the strong support and you can trade for Nasdaq for upper level for taking stop loss of 8564 and the target is near come is 8850. So here we can see that the Bollinger Band upper side, the cut candle, and after cutting the candle it can make retracement, it's small retracement, and the Bollinger Band mean line is the support. The candle, it means the candle go upside in coming days and the price we can see in coming days 8800 and 8850 level. So you can make a position, a buy side in Nasdaq and you will get a good benefit. Friends, you can see the volume also. The volume is stable and bit of increasing last 20 days. You can see the volume chart. Here we can we have take the 6-month Nasdaq chart and near term target is 8850. You can make a stop loss of 8564 level and second stop loss is 8613 level. The target is 8850 in coming days. Okay friends, and the Bollinger Band median line is supporting the candles. You can see this can indicate that in coming days the Nasdaq is going higher side. Near term target is 8800 and 8850. Make a buy position in Nasdaq in future and you will get a good benefit. Okay friends, if you have any query you can comments in my box. This is our analysis in Nasdaq. This is going buying opportunity. The trend is positive, indicator is positive, volume is positive. So make a stop loss of 8613 and 8564 for the position of 8850 level. Okay, bye.